The following is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. We have detected the launch of 10 nuclear missiles from North Korea. They are headed for 7 targets near the west coast and Rocky Mountains of the United States. Seattle, Los Angeles, Portland, Denver, Chicago, Salt Lake, and Austin. The missile headed for Seattle is estimated to impact in 2 to 4 hours. The missile headed for Portland is estimated to impact in 45 minutes to an hour. The missile headed for Denver is estimated to impact within 45 minutes. The missile headed for Chicago is estimated to impact from 4 to 6 hours. The missile headed for Salt Lake is estimated to impact from 2 to 4 hours. The missile headed for Austin is estimated to impact from 3 to 4 hours. Important instructions will follow. These attacks are certain, but they do not restrict to these cities. If you live in a different location, it is highly suggested that you tune into your local emergency alert radio channel. If your area is targeted, immediately seek fallout shelter due to large amounts of fallout. Fallout is a deadly product used in nuclear weapons. Tune into the given radio channel and fallout shelter. If you do not find fallout shelter, it will result in certain death. This is an emergency action notification.